Hey, OJ here. Hope everybody's enjoying this beautiful day today. It's finally nice out, and there's no wind, there's no rain, there's not even a cloud in the sky here, and the birds are chirping, and it's just a wonderful day to sit on the deck. 2 weeks ago, I did a little video in the backyard kind of showing you what we have planned, and I'm going to drop that in here right after this. Then I'll come back and show you what we're going to do in the front yard here, and maybe we'll get some flowers planted today. That would be a wonderful thing. A little video of our yard. There's a dog kennel over here. We have so many leaves from these big trees up here. Our yard is a bit of a mess right now, as kind of see over the fence there. There's a portable garage frame. Well, yeah, that's the second one that blew apart. Blew away, ended up in our neighbor's yard over there. But we have some plans here. Back here, we're wondering about putting a pergola back here. Of course, gotta trim some branches, and we'd like to screen it in, maybe put some vines on there. Kind of fix up the yard here. We really haven't done it much since we've been here. This fence we built when we first got here. This part up to this corner. We put that all in when we first got here. So over in this first corner here, where we got portable garage tarp and a couple other tarps. Nothing really grows in there, but we just throw the leaves in there. So we're thinking of building a kind of a planter kind of thing in there. I don't know what exactly you want to call it, but it's kind of a planter thing. And yeah, do a bunch of other stuff in here. Yeah, so all this stuff that's out in the yard here used to be in that shed. So, oh yes, we're going to take part of this fence, and we're going to take it out and move it across over to there, so we have a little more space in the yard to the back of the garage. Anyways, I'll explain more later. Okay, so today's project is mow all these dandelions off that I've grown here, and kind of just show you a little bit what we're going to do here. Look at my rhubarb, it's coming up nice. This will be the first year we'll be able to eat it here. So one of the projects we have here is this entryway. We haven't totally nailed it down yet, but we want to fix this all up. One of the other projects here is power wash this deck. It's usually a dark brown, but over the winter it's kind of got some yuck on it. We're going to do the flower beds here, fill them all up with flowers, and we have some over here. We have multiple pots. One year I got crazy with the pots, and the mosquitoes are out too. So anyways, we're going to plant some flowers in all these pots here, and we have this great big pot here. Where I get my camera looking down here, not up. This big pot here, and we got these bricks, and where we're going to take that big planter, and then we're going to take the bricks, and we'll put the bricks there and put the planter on top, and just make it look gorgeous here. So there's some of the projects we have going this summer. Stay tuned and see how many we actually get done. Well, there's 2 jobs done. Grass mowed, deck pressure washed, mopped, rinsed, and now there's a chair that's calling my name. It's a little bit in the shade, and I think I will just sit a spell, maybe have a nap. I'll see you after I wake up. Bye for now.